Ma is what, and man is who. Are you with me? Now there is another difference, brother. In the whole universe, there are two types of aql, having intelligence, or they are ghair aql, with no intelligence. Are you with me? Human beings have intelligence, but things have no intelligence. Pen doesn't have intelligence. Okay, kitab doesn't have intelligence. We have intelligence. Huh? So anything which is aql, having intelligence, when you want to find out about that, you will use man. When you want to find out about things, you will use ma. Huh? Now, the scholars define that the aql, group consists of three creations. One is the human being, other is malaika, and the third one is jinn. You like it or not, they also have intelligence. Jinns have intelligence. Okay? So when you refer to human beings, malaika, and jinns, you use man. For the rest of the things, it is ma. Are you with me, brothers? So you can say ma haza. Are you with me? You can say ma haza, haza kalamun. But if I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma haza, I will say man haza. What will I say? Man haza. And my answer will be haza Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say man haza. Then the answer will be haza Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say man haza. I will say haza Abdus Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So for human beings, anything aql or rational nouns, we use man. For gair aql or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So let's see now. Look at the picture, and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one, man haza. He has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza. Haza talibun. Talibun. Mashallah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming, and you got to memorize it. Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma haza. Haza masjidun. Man haza. So it's question for and pointing out to an aql person. Okay. Man haza. Haza tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant, businessman. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Okay. Haza kalbun. La. Haza kittun. Mashallah. So, brother, kittun, a cat. Haza himarun. Haza himarun. Okay, brother. Ahaza himarun? La. Haza hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Donkey, horse. Okay. Ma haza. Haza jamalun. Haza jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now next page, brother. Ma haza. Hada dikun, rooster. Hada dikun. Now again the question is, man hada, towards a human being, pointing out to human being. Man hada, hada mudarrisun, mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun. Remember sun, huh? Hada qamisun, la. Hada mindilun. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs. Remember that? Now, ikra waktub, read and write. Okay, brothers and sisters? Since I have the mic, I will be reading, but please read with me and read loudly. Huh? Remember, I have given you permission to scream and shout in the class now. Okay? Mahada, hada, kalamun. Huh? Okay? You can repeat mahada also, inshallah. Okay? Number 2, hada. Now, brothers and sisters, I found this very difficult. And if you find it difficult, I think it's okay. It's normal, because the vowel signs are not given, So we got to remember the vowel signs. If we say hada kalabun, that will be wrong. Hada kalbun, because there is a sukoon on lam. So what will you do, brother? At home when you will write, you will make sure that your vowel signs are properly put. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? If you will make an effort, Allah will make it easy for us. If you won't make an effort, brother, it won't work. Okay? So, kalbun. Anytime you have a problem, whether it is sukoon or a proper vowel sign, you go back to the first lesson. That's why I always say, we are barely in the first lesson, and Dr. Abdurrahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. But for us, it's kind of difficult. Yes, brother Abdul.
For body parts, would you say man? You will say ma, right?
Ma.
You will say man.
Okay, brother. Haza kalbun. Not kalabun, but kalbun. Next one, brother, loudly, everybody. Man haza. Haza tabibun. Haza tabibun. Very good. What is the next one, brothers and sisters? Haza jamalun. Now, this is not jamlun, but jamalun. See, the vowel signs are very important. Okay. Next one, brother, a question. Ahaza kalbun? La. Haza kittun. Okay, very good. Next one. Ahaza dikun? Naam. Naam. Yes. Next one, brothers. Ahaza hisanun? Is this a horse? La. Haza himarun. This is a donkey. Okay. Next one, brothers. Haza mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Easy. This is all halwa puri, brother. Okay. Next one. Haza waladun. Naam. Man haza? Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. MashaAllah.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا